Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, I'm just gonna show a budget build, or it's kind of a budget build, but it's like $1,000. So, I mean, some computers go up to like $3,000 to get a really good gaming PC. So, this is kind of on the budget side, but I'm just gonna show you all the parts. And since I already made a build video, you can go to that video and find out how you build a computer. So the first, an Intel i5 Core i5 8400 Coffee Lake, 6 cores, so that's really good. 2.8 gigahertz. It doesn't sound that great, but after you get up to, it says 4 gigahertz turbo. It's LGA 1151, and it's an 8th generation processor. It only takes 65 watts too, so it's pretty good. And then the graphics card, I found a EVGA GeForce GTX 1060, and it has 6 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and it's a DX12, but it's only a single fan. Still would stay cool. It's $289 plus $5 shipping, and if you want to make your gaming PC really extreme, just stick a 1070 Ti in it and you'll be able to do anything, because that processor is really good. So here's the motherboard that you would be using. It's an MSI Z370 Gaming plus LGA 1151, so it's the same thing. You have to have the same socket or else it won't fit. Make sure you look at your processor and it says LGA something, or AMD is say AM3, AM4, and then LGA for Intel. So this motherboard has 4 RAM slots. There's a processor thing right there, and then you put your graphics card right there. And yeah, so this is $200. No, not $200. It's $120. So it's not very expensive. It's pretty cheap. Okay, so the power supply. This is the literal brain of your whole computer. Okay, so this is a 600 watt power supply. It's $55, and it won't be too expensive. Make sure it's 80 plus bronze or it won't be any good. Okay, so here's your RAM. It's G.Skill Ripjaws V series, 16 gigabytes, 2 8 gigabyte sticks, so that you'll be able to put 2 more 8 gigabyte sticks in there if you want to. And you'll have 32 gigabytes of RAM, and that's more than enough to do what you need. Like if you wanted to do video editing, you wouldn't be able to do high-end 4K editing, but you would be able to do anything with 1080p you wanted to. And this is 2133 megahertz, so it's not the fastest, but it's still DDR4, so it's good. So $150, that's pretty cheap for DDR4 RAM. And in the case is a Corsair Carbide Series 275R, and it's just a regular ATX mid-tower case, and $65. So you could get a black one or a white one if you wanted. And then a 500 gigabyte SSD. It's a Samsung 860. The reason why you need SSD is because they're a lot faster than hard drives. And then 1 terabyte hard drive for your Steam library, $45, so it's pretty cheap. So that's how much stuff there is. Yeah, I'll just calculate how much it costs. Actually, okay, so it's $850 for all that stuff, and you can do stuff for 4K, so it's really good. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.